Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're gonna talk about what it can do in case you cannot access any websites in Google Chrome or any other browser, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera. You either get an error that says this page cannot be loaded or this site can't be reached, and this problem could have an easy solution based on the cause of that issue. But in this video we're going to assume that the problem is not caused by something physical on the router or the internet cable. I'm just going to show you some steps that you can try in Windows 10 in order to try and fix this issue. So keep watching because I'm going to try to help you fix this issue. Of course, first of all, make sure you're connected to the internet and try to reset your internet connection. Just right click on it and then click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Then go and click on Change Adapter Options. And here, right click on your connection, click on Disable, and then right click on it and then click on Enable. See if that fixes the issue. Now in the browser that we're using, let's try to clear the cache and all the cookies. Just press Ctrl-Shift-Delete while you're in the browser, and this will give you this section, Clear Browsing Data, and click on All Time. Be aware that you are going to lose all the passwords, all the websites that you were logged in and stuff like that, but I think this is worth it because now we're trying to fix the issue that we're encountering. So after you select from the time range All Time, select Clear Data. If you're interested, while pressing Ctrl-Shift-Delete, you also have an advanced section where you can select which items you want to be deleted or not. I strongly recommend you do this again from the advanced mode and select everything from here, and from the time range select All Time and then Clear Data. But the first option was also pretty good and I think that could be enough. Restart your browser and check and see if the problem is fixed. If this didn't fix the problem, just click on the search box, type in here CMD, right click on command prompt and then click on Run as Administrator. On user account control, click on yes. And here you're gonna have to copy and paste in a few commands that you're gonna have in the description down below of this video. Just copy and paste them from there one by one. The first one is this one. Basically, we're gonna run a few commands that will try to reset our connection, our internet connection, and this should hopefully help us fix the issue. Run all the commands one by one. As you can see, it resets all the components of the internet connection. We're renewing our IP configuration, and we're also flushing the DNS. And after you finished running all the commands, just close out, command prompt, go and restart your system by right clicking on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then click on restart. Of course you know that, but I'm just showing you what you have to do. After the restart, you should be good to go. But for those of you who didn't manage to fix this issue by watching this video, try to check if there is any physical cause to this issue. Check your internet cable, check your router, see if you have an internet connection from the router, and if not, you can easily contact your internet provider. You should find details on their official website and stuff like that. I'm hoping this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.